You think, imagine, assume, believe that people are reacting negatively to you. For example, "Hey, what is wrong? Why were you looking at me like that?" Nico asked Rose. "You wanted to put me in an embarrassing situation to prove your view and make a fool out of me." Rose replied angrily. "What are you saying?" Nico said in immense shock. Mind reading is an irrational belief that we know for sure what the other person is thinking and intending. This sometimes can be accurate because we can interpret body language, or maybe we know the other person so well that we can guess quite accurately what she or he is thinking. Even in such cases, at best, that would be only a well-informed guess, but never the true reality, because by guessing, we can never know for sure. When it's a harmful thinking error, the mind reading is done automatically without us being aware of it. Most often it results in negative conclusions. The person who is suffering from this thinking error the most is doing the biggest amount of uninformed and automatic guesses, while at the same time blindly believing them all to be true. People cannot read other people's minds. That's a commonly known truth. Its side effects are too much reliance on mind reading, can push us to make a mistake about what others think of us, which can really wreak havoc on our mood. Mind reading often leads to depression and anxiety, especially social anxiety. Also can lead many times to relationship disasters. How to fix it? One of the best solutions for the suffering from negative emotions and thoughts because of this thinking error is speak with person you read his or her mind and formulate your annoying thought into a calm question. For example, "Did you want to embarrass me in front of my boss?" "Yes, I wanted to do this," or "No, I did not at all." Robert Leahy has suggested the following techniques for challenging the mind-reading distortion. 1. Rate the degree of your belief and identity and rate your emotions. 2. Identify exactly what your prediction is. For example, "He doesn't like me, so he won't talk to me." 3. Conduct a cost-benefit analysis. Do you think that mind reading gives you valuable information? 4. Examine evidence for and against your mind reading. 5. How could you prove that your thought is wrong? Is it testable? 6. What if your thought were true? Why would it bother you? If people are thinking what you think they are thinking, does this mean something about you? 7. What if someone doesn't like you? Exactly what will happen? What things will remain the same? A. List all of the things you can still do even if the person doesn't like you. B. No one gets approval from everyone. Why should disapproval bother you? 8. Practice repeating the following statement 20 minutes each day. No matter what I do, some people won't like me. What happens to the thought? Does it become boring? 9. Act against your thought. Do something positive toward the person you think doesn't like you. Disclaimer: this is an educational video. If you think that you or someone who is relevant in your life is suffering from this form of thinking error and the above-mentioned steps did not provide you much help, then do not hesitate to seek a professional advice and visit a cognitive therapist for professional support.
If you liked the video, leave us a comment, check out our channel for more updates, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Check the description link below for more recommended useful resources and feel free to share this video.